Welcome back to the Knowledge Hub podcast. Here's a surprising statistic for you. The most common reason startups fail isn't a lack of funding or a brilliant competitor. It's that they build something nobody needs. In fact, one analysis found that accounted for 42% of failures. This happens because teams fall in love with an idea and spend months or even years building what they think is the complete version. But until real people use it, it's all just a guess. That's where the concept of a minimum viable product, or MVP, comes in. Now, this isn't about shipping a buggy or unfinished product, it's about running a smart experiment. An MVP is the simplest possible version of your idea that lets you test one crucial thing. Does anyone actually want this? It's a tool for learning, not just launching. The interesting part is that your first MVP might not even be a product at all. Take Buffer, the social media scheduling tool. Before writing a single line of code, the founder created a simple landing page that explained the idea and asked for people's email if they were interested. When he saw that people were not only signing up, but were willing to click a buy button for a product that didn't exist yet, he knew he was onto something. Dropbox did something similar. Their idea, file syncing, was technically complex, so instead of building it, they made a simple demo video. That video drove a huge wave of signups and proved people desperately wanted a solution to a problem they couldn't quite articulate. The lesson here is powerful. You can test the promise of your product long before you build the real thing. The second key idea is that sometimes an MVP is about doing less, not more. The best example of this is Instagram. It actually started as a complicated location-based app called Burbian, with check-ins, planning features, and photos. But the founders noticed that while people ignored most of the features, they loved sharing photos. So they made a brave choice. They cut everything else. They stripped the app down to one single function, sharing simple, filtered photos. That radical focus is what became Instagram. It's a reminder that finding your MVP is often an act of subtraction. Ultimately, all these stories point to the same truth. Building a minimum viable product isn't about being lazy or shipping something cheap. It's about being smart. It's about turning your biggest assumptions into questions you can answer quickly, with the least amount of wasted effort. It's about learning faster than your competition, so the next time you have a big idea, don't start by asking what you can build. Start by asking what you can learn.